do it.
Speed is back. Pop the other side. Time to do it the right way now.
Oh.
Oh no. Is it in the tire?
No.
It's sucked in right here.
Is it?
Yeah, it's coming out though.
There. Here, get a towel.
Back on the 3, Jake. That's perfect.
Back to good.
Back to good. Adding on to that last little bit, I just received some new jack stands. Reasoning behind those jack stands and why I bought these is because when I did my front end work, we had to drop this axle all the way to the ground to be able to put the springs in, the shocks, and a lot of these bars. And we had to use my dad's co-workers because we didn't have jack stands tall enough or ones for the rating of the weight. So I went ahead and got these SunX jacks, 2 10-tons. We got them off Amazon for a pretty good price. The price we got them for was $250, and I think retail they're about $325. So if you're in the need, very good quality, very good brand jacks. Get them cheaper off Amazon. So I am going to put them together because I have not yet, and get a little time lapse out of it. Here is the actual, I'm not sure exactly what this is called, but the shaft that goes into the stand itself. This thing, I don't know, shit. Freaking, I don't know, 3 feet almost in height, man. We could lift the second gen to a freaking Monster Max if we wanted to. But for my use right now, I'll probably only be able to use them on their lowest setting, such as that. The finishing touch, some stickers. That's the end of the video. Tire was blown up. Jacks were completed. Stay tuned. I'm unsure when I'm gonna drop another video after this one. I haven't figured out exactly the dates I want to start doing this, but if I can grab this, I have a steering box brace that needs to go on my truck, and I'm thinking about doing a review and how to put it on, and we're gonna attempt to start that today. So as soon as this video goes up, I'm gonna start working on that one, and stay tuned. Thank you guys.